National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodford County in central Illinois, northeastern Tazewell County in central Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Metamora, or near Eureka, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Eureka around 9:20 p.m. Roanoke around 9:30 p.m. Secker around 9:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include El Paso. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 10 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a